Hi there friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. I have a super simple wall decor for you. Here we have this wooden plaque. It just happens to be white. I used this in a previous project, but it does have the wooden finish to it, but we're going to paint it black for this project. So as you can see here, I went in with acrylic paint and I'm going to paint the entire thing, meaning the sides, the back, and the inside of it as well. We're going to add lights to this in just a minute. And before I forget to mention, if you love videos like this one with simple and super easy project, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I post a video. And to be honest, I know it is summer, but I just can't wait for fall. So that's why we're going to start off with fall decors pretty soon. So if you're ready for those autumn decors, be sure to subscribe once again and click that bell. Now, once we're done painting the entire thing, it is time to move on to the next step. Let it completely dry, of course, and then this is how it should look. Next step here I have this decor that I've had for a while. It's been on my wall, honestly, and I just wanted to use it for something else. But you can literally make this using any circle objects from Dollar Tree, even shower rings. Now we're going to go ahead and take that plaque that we went ahead and painted, and like I said, we are going to add lights to it. So I just happen to have this light right here, again from a previous project, and I'm going to add glue onto the back. If you're using LED like strips or remote controlled ones, once again add glue to it and just glue it onto the plaque, and that's what I'm doing off camera, of course. But you get the idea. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and this is how it should look like right here. As you can see, that's how it's going to look on. I don't want to flash it onto the camera, but it's time to glue everything down. So I'm going to take these this decor right here, and I'm going to add some hot glue onto the back. And for more permanent hold, I do recommend that you use E6000 instead, but for this video I'm going to go ahead and just use hot glue. And as you can see me putting glue right there, I love this project because you can literally put anything on this wall decor and it just, you know, pops out because, you know, the light and everything. But I did forget to mention the wooden piece that you see right there at the bottom. It is actually the one from Dollar Tree, the wall decor that has a pumpkin at the top. You'll see it at the end of the video, but I'm going to apply some hot glue onto the plaque itself on the side there, and I'm going to hold it in place on top so that way it's sliding down onto the rest of the decoration. And I'm just going to place that little pumpkin onto the little circle that you see at the top of the screen there, and that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to hold this in place just to make sure it stays just like you see. This is how it should look, and this was super easy to make. Just went ahead and glued the pumpkin there, and this is how it looks like right here. As you can see, the wooden piece that I used is the one with the pumpkin on top there, and you can definitely put another pumpkin on top or a different decor on top of the plaque and it will stay in place. But this is the final product. I want to hear what you think, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And like I said, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Till next time, love you all. Bye.